MoneyGram is a global digital payments platform that facilitates money transfers across over 200 countries and territories. Founded in 1940 as a wire transfer service, MoneyGram has evolved significantly with recent digital expansions. Founded in 1940 as a wire transfer service, MoneyGram operates in over 200 countries and territories, processing billions in annual transactions. The platform has seen significant recent digital expansion with AI-driven features and cryptocurrency integrations. From its origins as a wire transfer service, MoneyGram has transformed into a modern digital platform. Recent developments include enhanced mobile apps, partnerships with tech companies, and cryptocurrency transfer capabilities. To send money with MoneyGram, start by choosing your preferred method. You can send online through the website or mobile app, at an agent location like Walmart or CVS, or through a partner bank or ATM. Next, provide the required details. Enter your sender information, including your name and ID, and the recipient's details, such as their name, location, and phone number or email address. Specify the amount you want to send and choose your payment method. Options include paying with cash, debit card, or bank transfer. You'll pay the fees up front, which depend on the sending method and amount. After payment, you'll receive a reference number to track your transaction. Finally, make sure all information is accurate before submitting. Double-check the details to avoid any issues with your transfer. MoneyGram uses a network of agents, banks, and digital systems to process transfers. For international transfers, funds are often routed through SWIFT or proprietary networks. Digital transfers via the app are quick, often taking just minutes, while cash pickups may take 1 to 3 business days depending on the specific location and any compliance procedures. Security measures, including ID verification and encryption, are crucial. Recipients can receive money at an agent location by presenting their ID and the reference number. This is a common option for cash pickup in person. Alternatively, recipients can receive funds via bank deposit, where money is credited directly to their bank account for convenient access. Depending on location options, funds can be sent directly into the recipient's mobile wallet for quick digital access. For online receives, funds are credited to a linked bank account, providing seamless digital banking integration. The receiver may need to answer security questions as part of the verification process to ensure safe and secure fund delivery. MoneyGram fees depend on several factors, including the transfer amount, destination country, and the method you choose to send the money. Online transfers through the MoneyGram website or mobile app are generally cheaper than sending through physical agent locations. For instance, sending $500 to Mexico online costs around $9.99, while agent fees can reach $20 or more for smaller amounts. In addition to transfer fees, be aware of foreign exchange margins, where MoneyGram adds 1 to 5% to the official exchange rate. Potential taxes or surcharges may also apply depending on the destination country. When comparing fees, MoneyGram typically offers lower costs than Western Union for digital transfers, though Western Union may have more agent locations in some areas. To minimize your costs, choose online transfers whenever possible, watch for promotions and discounts, and consider sending larger amounts where the fee percentage is lower. After initiating a MoneyGram transfer, you'll immediately receive a unique reference number. This number is essential for tracking your transaction. You can track your transfer in real time using MoneyGram's website or mobile app. Simply enter your reference number to view the current status of your transaction. The tracking system provides real-time status updates. You'll see when your money is sent, processing through the network, and finally available for the recipient to pick up or deposit it into their account. For digital convenience, MoneyGram sends automatic SMS and email notifications whenever your transfer status updates. This keeps you informed without needing to check manually. When sending cryptocurrency through MoneyGram, tracking includes blockchain-verified receipts. This provides immutable proof of your transaction on the cryptocurrency network, ensuring transparency and security. MoneyGram is increasingly focusing on digital services, with 70% of transactions now digital. They are investing in AI to enhance transfer speed and customer support. Crypto integration is also a key trend. aiming for full crypto adoption by 2026 for faster and cheaper cross-border transactions. These changes cater to younger demographics. Experts predict continued growth for MoneyGram, driven by e-commerce and emerging markets. The company is expanding agentless models for streamlined digital-only transfers. Integration with central bank digital currencies enables faster and more secure international payments. Sustainability efforts, such as carbon-neutral transfer options, reduce environmental impact. Financial inclusion initiatives are increasingly important for reaching unbanked populations in emerging markets. Keep an eye on regulatory developments affecting digital currencies to stay informed. Overall, MoneyGram is positioned for a bright future in digital and inclusive financial services.